Did you know that this calendar right here, this exact calendar, could actually help you make money online? Yes, this calendar, which probably sold for maybe $5 or $6, can help you make a full-time income. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn all the different ways that a simple calendar can help you make money. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with everything from security cameras to stand mixers, sound bars, web hosting, microwaves, and even online courses. If you want real internet marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Yes, today we are going to talk about calendars and how calendars can make you money. Today is July 1st. It's actually the Independence Day for Canada, the people to the north, the great men and women in the north. So happy Independence Day. But that should be a clue as to why and how that can actually make you some money. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about traffic sources. We're going to talk about all the different ways that you can monetize it so that we can start making you some income potentially. The first thing that we want to take a look at is we want to take a look at the holidays. Yes, Canadian holiday, as I mentioned, but I pulled up the 2022 American or US recognized or celebrated holidays. Ours is July 4th. It's coming up in just a few days. After that, we've got Parents' Day, Labor Day, Grandparents' Day, Patriots' Day, or September 11th, all sorts of opportunities. And I'm wondering, comment down below if you see what the opportunity is. And there are a ton of them. So the first thing that we want to do is let's take a look at Ahrefs, which is a keyword to research tool that I use to help us find keywords. Now, what I've done is I've typed in 4th of July or 4th of July spelled out or Independence Day. And you can see it's actually searched 7.3 million times per month. There are over 441,000 keywords, but other Independence Days come up. For example, Mexican Independence Day, every country obviously has their Independence Day, but you can see that this is being searched. And this is where the opportunity lies. So you can see people are looking up 4th of July baseball. They're looking up Independence Day Resurgence, which is actually a movie that not a lot of people watched, I believe. 4th of July images, 4th of July shirts. Hopefully you're starting to see the opportunity. Cast of Independence Day, 4th of July desserts. Okay, these are starting to make a little bit of, hopefully this is making a little bit of sense here. If we just keep scrolling, 4th of July fireworks, 4th of July events near me, all different opportunities, and it's getting searched a bunch. What we could even do is change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less and see what's out there for us small and medium-sized businesses. So if we click show results here, you are going to see that there is still some opportunity. In fact, 2.5 million searches per month, 18,000 keywords. 4th of July baseball. Do you think everybody in the US or anyone that's interested in baseball would like to know a schedule for the baseball games that are being played today or over the weekend? Cast of Independence Day, once again, Texas Independence Day, happy 4th of July GIF. That's another interesting one that has zero competition and 4.9 thousand searches, 4th of July outfits. Hopefully you're starting to see that a simple calendar can start making you some money. So now that we see that people are searching it, let's take a look at where they're searching it. For example, if we come over to YouTube, we can see that people are looking up 4th of July song for kids, fireworks, read aloud, party playlist, crafts, 4th of July crafts. Let's take a look at that one. So there are hundreds of thousands of people that like to celebrate each holiday by putting together, they like to coordinate and plan out and organize and have all sorts of stuff around their house. And you can see 15 favorite patriotic crafts, 4th of July rustic, 24,000 views within the last year. If we look on the right hand side, competition is low. People are searching it. Obviously, a lot of people are going to be searching it now, but 8 easy 4th of July crafts for kids. That got searched 1.8 thousand times just 11 months ago, or 1.8 thousand views from 11 months ago. And what you can do, hopefully the wheels are turning here, you can see that there's tons of opportunity, but you might feel like 4th of July is past. We can come back over to our holiday schedule here, and I think Parents' Day is coming up. So let's look at Parents' Day. Parents' Day, hit the space bar, and once again, Parents' Day crafts, Parents' Day card, Parents' Day gifts. So let's do, once again, Parents' Day crafts. Probably won't get as many searches as 4th of July, but look at this one. 3 best DIY Parents' Day gift ideas during quarantine, 49,000 views. 22 gifts your parents will appreciate. 569,000 views from 3 years ago. These are getting searched, and you can start seeing the opportunity. If we're looking at crafts, who has an affiliate program, or how can you make money with crafts? One way is you could look at the Hobby Lobby affiliate program. So we go to Hobby Lobby like this. And let me know if this is making sense for you guys, because I think this is a really cool opportunity, and you just need to look at a calendar. If you look at a calendar and you plan a little bit ahead, you can make some money. Look at this, 4th of July, 40% off. So you could come up here to the different departments. You can find their seasonal like this, and then we can go to 4th of July. So for people that love to coordinate and decorate their interior and exterior of their house, you can recommend the best 10 or 15 items to really celebrate the 4th of July. Let's see if they have something for Parents' Day. Once again, we're going to come back over to seasonal, and let's see, 4th of July, classroom decor. It doesn't look like, oh, they've got a whole section for 4th of July, party supplies. We saw that people are searching this. Fall, spring, it doesn't look like they have anything for Parents' Day. But this is just one way. You could make money with affiliate marketing. So recommending the best decorations for 4th of July, and just scroll through here and you can see there's tons of opportunities. There's party supplies, kitchen and dining, decorations, crafts, and more. But there is more on top of that. So one way that you can make money, very easy and very obvious, is by creating content on the holidays that are coming up. Okay, and I'd recommend doing a little bit of planning and working on holidays that are maybe 2 to 3 months ahead of time. A second way that you can make money is finding different affiliate programs. Also, what a lot of companies do is they offer 4th of July sales. So if we come over here and we type in 4th of July sales like this, you can see that there are tons of discounts that are being offered, and you can use that as an opportunity. You can piggyback off of some of the marketing that's already going on. Look at Tom's Guide, 4th of July sales 2022. That is an affiliate website. All of the links in his website, or most of them I should say, are affiliate based. So he earns a commission if he recommends. Look at this. This is going to, I'm not sure where this is going, but this is an affiliate link. All of these are different affiliate links where he earns a commission if someone clicks on these links and makes a purchase. You can also come up to YouTube once again, and we could say 4th of July sales like this. Hit enter. And you're going to see that people are looking this information up. The competition's really low. Looks like the traffic is medium. The best 4th of July sales from 4 years ago. Should you buy during 4th of July sales or wait for a better deal? 13 hours ago, 227 views. So if you're brand new, you can get into this market and start making money. Lowe's 4th of July sale 2022, 3 days ago, 3.6 thousand views. So the traffic is there, and you can start stacking your revenue stream, start making more money by doing a little bit of research and solving problems. People are coming to the internet and they want to know about the best 4th of July sales, and you can help them out and make money. So the first way that you can make money is with the YouTube Partner Program, or you start a blog by running ads on your blog. The second way that you can make money is with affiliate marketing. And as I talked about, you could be an affiliate for Hobby Lobby. You could be an affiliate for Lowe's or Home Depot or Amazon and talk about the 4th of July sales. Maybe you don't like affiliate marketing. You think it's a waste of time. It's not great. Another thing that you can do is head on over to Etsy, and you could type in 4th of July. And look at this. People are looking up all sorts of stuff for 4th of July. 4th of July SVG, 4th of July shirt, 4th of July PNG shirt for women. And we could just go through each letter of the alphabet and see what pops up. So 4th of July Q, quilt. Okay. 4th of July W, wreath. You can see that people are asking all sorts of questions just based on a calendar and on the holiday. If you think 4th of July is just a one-off, let's look at Parents' Day. Parents' Day, like this. Parents' Day shirts, SVG 2022, all sorts of stuff. And once again, you can use this as an opportunity. So let's look at Parents' Day SVG. So you could either create an SVG or hire someone over on Fiverr to create a Parents' Day SVG and then come back over here and sell it. Look at this Etsy seller. This shop has 586 5-star reviews. This one, almost 6,000 5-star reviews. Now they're actually running ads on Etsy, but that's not something you have to do. But you can see that this is an opportunity. You can create SVGs or quilts or whatever your heart desires, t-shirts, and you can make money. So let's look at Parents' Day t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt just like this. And once again, you can see that these people are making money. Look at this shop, $645, selling this $14 t-shirt, and you can make money. So you can start to see, if you plan ahead, that there is lots of money and there's lots of opportunity in your holiday schedule. Look at your holiday calendar. So right now we're in July 1st. What I would do is I would start looking at Labor Day, Grandparents' Day, Patriots' Day. Let's look at Patriot Day. We'll come back over to Etsy and we'll type in, let's do September, like this, September 11th t-shirt. And people are profiting off of this. Never forget, 4,000, the shop has 4,000 rating, 4,000 5 stars. $8.56 is what they're selling that shirt for. Another one down here, $24.79. And people are profiting off of a calendar. So it's really simple, really easy. You can either go buy yourself a physical calendar like I did, or you can come over to Google and you can type in holiday schedule, and you're going to see that there are tons of these different opportunities out here. And if you plan a few months ahead, you can make money. Another thing that you could do is, let's see, we are in, remember, we're July 1st. We could say best gifts for Bosses Day. So let's come over to Amazon like this, Amazon.com, and we could put together a YouTube video with the best gifts for Bosses Day. Bosses Day, like this. Hit enter. And once again, we could put together a list of the 5, 6, or 7 best gifts for Bosses Day. World's Best Boss. You can see there's all sorts of stuff. And believe it or not, people are searching this over on YouTube. That's how you're going to get the traffic. You're either going to start a YouTube channel, you're going to start a blog. You could even do this with TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. But we could type in Bosses Day gifts like this. And I spelled gifts with a D, but you can see 9 cool gift ideas for your boss and coworker. 126,000 views, okay? Competition, almost no competition if we look. The volume, there's a lot of people searching it. How to give Bosses Day gifts. Boss Day gift idea, 3.9 thousand views. Boss Day gifts, 390 views. But you can see that this is an opportunity. You could put together an entire YouTube channel or blog or TikTok account just talking about these holidays, the 5 best gift ideas for Halloween or Bosses Day, Sweetest Day, and you can make this into an entire thing. And you could make passive income. You could even start planning for the previous year or the next year. You could start planning. Black Friday is a big one. If we come back over to YouTube, we do like Black Friday. We type in best Black Friday like this. Best Black Friday deals 2022. Top 10 best Black Friday deals 2021. 385,000 views from 7 months ago. And this is just looking at the calendar. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get a calendar. Second thing that you want to do is you want to look at how you're going to monetize it. You can monetize it with affiliate marketing. You can sell your own digital or physical products. You could create a digital product talking about the different ideas or decorations or plans for the individual holidays. You can sell physical products like t-shirts. You can sell digital products like SVGs. There are tons of opportunities to make money, and people are telling you what they want. Now that you know how to make money with a calendar, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watching these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.